Sachdeva, the former president of the Students' Union.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, graduates, and all the distinguished guests. I'm nervous. My parents are in the audience, so it really, it's quite a... I would just request you to take a moment and reflect on your journey. Just see how far you have come. I would like to thank your lecturers, all the technicians and the support staff for giving you the wings to complete your degree. Only you know what it's to be you. Only you know the hard work. You know the hustle. So why not celebrate yourself? It's not been an easy journey for you all. I know we have lost loved ones, have had difficult times, but to see you all today and to see your families' eyes filled with pride makes me very emotional. All I want to say is life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. Thank you. Ma, I hope I've made you proud. Thank you.